Ladies and gentlemen, that is a wrap here from Atlanta Hawks Media Day 2019-2020. Year 6, man. Got the try to get a thing in the background, but we got to roll. But we're gonna get all this content out to you guys, man. We're gonna edit it, make it look real pretty, and put a nice little bow on it. Make sure you're following the Hawksbeat.com. Make sure you're following us on Twitter, Instagram, all that jazz, man. You know how we do. We'll see you when we see you. Peace and love. Bye.
He's been extremely helpful. Obviously, be a big input.
Obviously, I'm a shooter. I'm always working on that.
Who stood out to you?
Well, but it's been fun.
Asking questions, and that's what you want to see from your young guys.
Trey's being asked.
Most memorable birthday experience.